We are back on the Speedster project, and I need to make some room out here. So we've got our engine. We're going to move it around to the garage. I don't know if I'm going to end up using this or if somebody wants to buy it, because I would prefer to sell it because it's all done. It's a very nice short block with a 290 cam in it. Adjustable lifters. It was done right. But I need a little bit more room in here, so the heads are coming out, the engine is coming out, and I guess it's going to go in the garage until we rebuild it. So, stick around. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Well, it made it inside. There is the start of our Speedster. I came in to grab this for the Speedster. I'm thinking to myself, yay, I have a handbrake. Then I got a good look at it. And I said, boo, that's for a truck. To give you an idea of the difference, Jesus. The other piece I have here is actually pieces. See, there's the difference. There's a car, and there's the truck. So I can't use this. So that stinks. I found this one. It's been cut off. This piece is in one piece. It's missing the end, and obviously the handle is there. So that's a possibility. I'm hoping I can find a better one. There's got to be another one in here somewhere. Has to be. I don't see any other handles in here. But if I come up with one, I'll most certainly let you all know. So I want this to be an interactive build. So far I'm interacting with myself. What I would like is some comment. What do you want me to do next? What color do you want me to paint what? Am I doing it all wrong? I'm sure I am. Especially if my father's watching. Doing it all wrong. I'm gonna do it my way. He doesn't really sound like that, but he has actually said that to me in the past. So, no, I don't see any. Do not see any handbrakes. Enough room to walk in here. Guess we're moving on to the next piece. Got plenty of time. There's no rush. There's no time limit on this. Front cross member. Rear end. It's a good start. I always like to put in new axles, though. You see how it's worn and pitted. So we got to come up with some money for that. I'm trying to sell off a lot of this. I really only want to keep what I need to build the car. So if you want like 50 of those, let me know. And if you want the shitty bearings from the 80s that everybody took out because they didn't work right, I have some of those too. That's about it for this one. Alright, well, we did get the motor in. I did get one shelf worth of crap out of the garage to make room for this project. So I got that in here. Got the motor out. Really wish somebody would buy that. Alright, so I'm going to call it quits on this one. Let me know if you want to help. Let me know if you want to be a part of it. And hopefully the next video will have something that's more fans, something that's more exciting than me looking through junk. Last video on the Speedster project, we failed to find one of these, and now, as you can see, I have one. We're going to restore this. We're going to go over it, every bit of it, and please subscribe so you don't miss any.